How to use Xfinity Wi-Fi without an account. So you really can't get unlimited or permanent Xfinity Wi-Fi without an account though, but there are legal and legitimate ways you can use Xfinity Wi-Fi temporarily or as a guest. So no bypassing logins as well, since that is not allowed obviously. So this will just be an explanation. So the Xfinity Wi-Fi can refer to public hotspots named Xfinity. Hotspots are broadcast by Xfinity customer gateways, and access normally requires an Xfinity ID, where some locations allow guests or free accounts. So there are a few ways you can use Xfinity Wi-Fi without an account. So free Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots, which is limited access. In some areas, Xfinity offers free hotspot access where you can connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi, open a browser, and you could see a free trial or temporary guest account. So it is time restricted, speed can be capped, and not always available anywhere. So if you get the chance to see this, then that will be basically just your luck. There are also public locations with sponsored Wi-Fi uh, Xfinity. So some places provide open Xfinity Wi-Fi like libraries or parks, transit stations or community centers. So these hotspots may not require login and may auto connect. So put in mind that some of these situations will only be limited, so it's not always an option you can have, since connecting with Xfinity will usually always need an account, since their services are only to their own customers, because but hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.